If you make a mistake somewhere back here, you could fix it on the next row as I just showed you, but you could also actually pick back to that area. Now to do that when you're knitting, let's take a quick look at how the knit stitch actually goes onto the needle. So when you're actually doing a new knit stitch, you are lifting this up from underneath, you're pulling the yarn through, and this is where it drops off the needle. So it's the back of that stitch. So if you want to unknit some of your knit stitches, you're going to want to pick up this part. My yarn is in the way. I will note if I am unknitting, I always hold the yarn as though I'm knitting English, even if I was knitting Norwegian style, just because it keeps the yarn out of the way. So again, looking at this stitch here, I have the one on the needle and the one underneath. I want to get the one underneath, so I am going to put my needle right there, and then I'm going to pull that off and pull the yarn back through. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for a purl stitch. So again, let's take a slow look at the purl stitch. I'm going in here, wrapping the yarn around, and then when I'm pulling this through, the part where my needle leaves is right here. Right there. So if I want to undo a purl stitch, I'm going to go from below and I'm going to lift that stitch up and pull it right off.